Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. Today I have the pleasure of showing you what I believe to be probably one of the more desirable boats in the Grady-White line. This is the Grady-White 336 Canyon, and let's jump on board and see what we have. All right guys, now that we're on board the 336 Canyon by Grady-White, not only does this boat give you the premier offshore fishing capabilities that it always has, but you also have the ability for a great island day or pleasure day as well. Starting here in the bow of the boat, you got your bow filler cushion, makes this entire bow into a great lounge area with adjustable backrest. Something that Grady-White does here, your storage boxes up front completely insulated, will hold ice should you need it. And of course you always have your windlass and your controls up front as well. Front of the helm seating here, oversized, plenty of space for two people if you like. And as we move on back, you'll see the oversized walkway through here. Really nice if you want to take multiple people out fishing with you. A lot of storage, a lot of space. We'll stop here in the cabin area. You'll see the teak inlay, storage holders, storage and rod holders, berth, sink, plenty of space there. Nice for the little ones, again, for an island day or what have you. As we move back into the helm area, you'll see three captain's chairs, all adjustable with your leaning post. You have full controls from Yamaha, your joystick controls. You have your autopilot, air conditioning in this specific boat. And then as we come on around, you'll see the Fusion radio, Fusion speakers, subwoofer into the boat as well. Great sound system so that you can enjoy your day a little bit further. Let's make our way to the cockpit. Ton of space here, and this is where the offshore fishing capabilities really come in nice. Ton of space, great area for multiple people to catch fish from either side of the boat. Oversized tuna door on your port side. You have a live well. This specific model has dual live wells behind your helm here, and of course rod holders on top and below. Adjustable seating here in the rear. If you need more seating, easily put away, expanding your cockpit space. Over here you got more storage to your port aft, and then you got the oversized fish box as well. In this specific boat, it was outfitted with the cooler. So this is refrigerator / freezer. You can adjust it to however you want it to be, so it keeps your fish nice and cold, or drinks, however you want to use it for that specific day. This is the Grady-White Canyon 336, premier fishing offshore boat. Come take a look at it, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. 334-695-6035.